Hey there, this is me Anushka and once again a very warm welcome to your very own channel Girl Boss। आप सबने चैनल पे अभी तक बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे हैं बट आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बिहाइंड द सीन्स लेके जाऊंगी और दिखाऊंगी कि एक शूट एक्चुअली होता कैसे है। आई होप यू रियली एंजॉय वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, सो लेट्स बिगिन। टुडे इज 24th of January एंड अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 10:30 एंड हम निकल चुके हैं शूट लोकेशन के लिए।
मोटा लगती थी।
से तू आया है ना, वही तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। अब जम के पकड़ झाड़।
अरे जम के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा।
तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा। जहाँ से तू आया है ना, वही तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। टापा दूंगा। तेरी ज़मीन पे आज
तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा। अरे होए जा बे ओ।
हमरा सबका टाइम पाई ना।
Say hi to the BTS vlog. Say hi to the BTS vlog. Yeah. She's tense, guys. Here are the performers. It takes a hell lot of efforts, guys.
दाओ, फैन दाओ।
नींद में बैठ देना। कौन अपना
छोटो खाटो देखे।
आशु, say hi.
हेलो।
पीछे जा थोड़ा।
ए कंगी है दीदी, कंगी।
इसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है। बड़े ध्यान से लेंस पहना जा रहा है। खाना पीना भी चलता है गाइस। पराठा। तुम लोग एक लाइन बना के रेडी हो रहे हैं।
कोऑर्डिनेशन।
तीनों देखो एक बार यहाँ पे। Guys, they work really hard. Like, share and subscribe to Girl Boss.
ओ एक बार
टिपिकल बिजनेस वुमन।
This is Manav.
तुम्हारा
आज कोई दुआ करो।
जाता।
मानव
दादा हंसो।
Guys, we are super late. We had to reach the venue.
लाइन भूलेगा तू। He's in चाप।
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा चाप में हूँ भाई, साफ बात में।
आशु या
तो 1 बजे वेन्यू पे पहुंचना था एंड हम शायद 1:30 बजे तक भी नहीं पहुंचेंगे। So I'm too worried. Hey you guys!
Welcome my channel to Girl Boss.
Welcome my channel to Girl Boss. Exactly. I've just seen the dance floor.
You should stay a bit conscious.
We are entering the dance floor. I'm sure.
We are the most important people ना, हमारे बिना शूट नहीं हो सकता गाइस। Like for us. So she's literally freaking out, guys. Okay, so we are just beginning to shoot now. Girl Boss is very tensed.
Welcome to my channel Girl Boss.
Yo! The setup is all done. Manav is pumping up. That's Ishika. This is all powder, guys. This is how it is shot.
इधर drugs.
This is drugs. अरे यार, it is so risky to dance on such a floor. This is. ये आपके तीनों सीरियस डांसर्स।
এবার চুকাও এটা কার চুকাচ্ছে
Anushka is so tensed right now. Oh! Once a shot is done, these guys go crazy.
So much is still left.
They're hyping up for the last shot. Come on, guys!
Hey guys, this is me Anushka and we have completed our shoot. It was our first studio shoot where we took a studio for rent and there are all the participants. We are walking back to our car. We have been practicing for just a few hours and I haven't been even available for proper practicing, but here I am and we have completed the shoot somehow. So yeah. And this is Palak. You guys already know her. She helped us so much. इसके बिना आज ये shoot बिल्कुल possible नहीं होता.
मैं और रुद्र.
Yes, she did this hair for me and everything. Thank you so much for even coming to help.
And this place is really good, guys.
Yeah, the studio was really good.
Yes.
It was Calcutta Dance Academy and we loved shooting here. They have a projector. We did not use that, but they have that too. So this is the place. Yeah, that's
Camera
true,
people. We are camera people.
So we actually completed a shoot which we thought we wouldn't be able to complete in 2 hours. Like this shoot that you saw last Monday, we did it in 2 hours. Maybe less than that, not even 2 hours.
Not less than.
Yeah, less than 2 hours. And we shot in that time. We arranged the camera and we did all the powder thing and all those things that you saw, everything in 2 hours. Like
It's a blood and sweat.
every time I've danced, I have
It's a
taken
khichdi.
at least 5
Powder
to
and sweat.
7 hours to shoot. At least 5 to 7 hours, even days. The last time I and Manav shot, Manav, how much time did we take?
More than 7 days?
And to practice, it took more than 2 months.
2 months. More than 2 months.
Yeah, we practiced for more than 2 months and then we shot for more than 7 days. And here we practiced for even less than 3 days. 3 days? Yeah, just for a few
Not
hours.
even 3 days means. Hours means.
This is the after shoot effect.
सब जगह अंधेरा ही अंधेरा, कोहरा ही कोहरा.
Kohra hi kohra. This is the after shoot effect of
चारों
Girl
तरफ
Boss.
नींद ही नींद.
थकान ही थकान.